Want to make money online with AI-generated graphics? Well, you're in the right place. In today's digital age, the demand for unique and eye-catching designs is higher than ever. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, AI tools can help you create professional quality graphics in no time. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning logos, social media designs, and digital art using MidJourney and Canva AI. These tools are incredibly powerful and user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to dive into the world of graphic design and sell them on Fiverr and Etsy. Let's get started. First, pick a niche. Choosing a specific niche can help you stand out in a crowded market. Think about what interests you or what industries you have some knowledge about. This will make your work more enjoyable and your designs more authentic. The highest paying logo and graphic design categories are real estate, beauty brands, gaming logos, and digital agencies. These industries are always in need of fresh, innovative designs to stay competitive. By focusing on these areas, you can maximize your earning potential. Search Fiverr and Etsy to see what's trending. This research will give you a good idea of what types of designs are currently in demand. Look at the top sellers and see what makes their designs stand out. Take notes and think about how you can incorporate similar elements into your own work. Now let's create a professional logo with MidJourney AI. This tool uses advanced algorithms to generate high-quality designs based on your input. It's like having a professional designer at your fingertips. Simply type a detailed prompt like minimalist modern tech logo, futuristic style, neon colors, and let AI do the magic. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the results will be. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and color schemes until you find something that really pops. Next, upload your AI-generated design into Canva AI for customization. Canva is a fantastic tool for adding those finishing touches that make your design truly unique. You can adjust fonts, colors, add text, and create branding assets, perfect for clients. Canva's intuitive interface makes it easy to tweak your designs until they're just right. Plus, you can use its extensive library of templates and elements to enhance your work even further. Time to make money. Once your designs are polished and ready to go, it's time to list them online. List your AI-generated designs on Fiverr, Etsy, and Creative Market. These platforms have millions of users looking for unique and high-quality designs. By listing your work here, you can reach a global audience and increase your chances of making sales. Price logos at $10 to $50 each or sell full branding packages for over $500. And that's it. With the right pricing strategy, you can attract a wide range of clients from small businesses to large corporations. AI tools like MidJourney and Canva AI make it easy to start a profitable design business. These tools not only save you time but also help you produce high-quality work that can compete with professional designers. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my AI Side Hustle playlist for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching and happy designing.